Hi, hello, and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you a new tool to number your PDF pages because I know this problem face a lot of students and sometimes you don't know how to do it with Word and stuff. So this tool again is from fair.directdiary.com. I will put the URL in the description box in the first comment, so don't worry. So what you're gonna do is go a little bit down, select the PDF. As you can see here, we do have a live preview. Here, the PDF does not contain any numbering. So what you're gonna do is, first of all, if you want to change the format, you want it like this, or page one, see, or page one of 10, for example, or of three, etc. So for me, I just want it one, two, three. And if you want to change the position of the numbers in your page, so for me, I will put it in, let's say, bottom left. And if you want to change the font, okay, let's make it Arial. And the color, as you can see here, you can choose the color that you want, but also the margin. And here you can choose the size also. So for me, I will put it 12. And here the prefixes and suffixes. Honestly, I don't know where is it exactly, but you can just try it as you wish. Okay, so now let's click apply the page numbers, and as you can see here, success numbering applied. Let's see, let's go a little bit down, and as you can see, it is as we put bottom left. If you want to download the PDF, just click here and it will be downloaded, as you can see. Okay, let's check this prefix and suffix. What is this? Let me just write anything. Okay. Ah, okay. So if you want to write, let's say, like here, for example, we didn't choose, like, for example, to write page one. You want to write something else, like, for example, the name of your university or whatever, and the suffix, I don't know, you can write whatever. So yeah, this is the idea of the prefix and suffixes. I don't know. I just discovered it now with you, so I don't know it exactly. So this is the video for today. I hope you liked it. I hope it helped you, and don't forget to put a like and a small comment with a heart or whatever. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.